Hi, I'm Diane Maragos, and I just completed Kevin Brown's Debt-Free College Academy. I have a daughter, Nikki, and she's a senior at high school. She just got accepted for early decision into college. And prior to taking Kevin's program, we were pretty overwhelmed because her college debt after her merit scholarships looks like it's going to be about $150,000 in 4 years. Feeling pretty overwhelmed about that $150,000 potential debt, I decided to enroll in Kevin's debt-free college academy full course program. And I have to say the value for the money for what we got out of the program was absolutely amazing. So much information. Kevin takes you step by step with many different tips and many different strategies for not only the student, but for us as parents, for our student, things that we can do to really help save money and prepare. One of the most valuable pieces that I found in this program is Kevin offers a multi-million-dollar scholarship list. And that list, I can tell you, is going to be extremely valuable. This list includes many different scholarships that the students can apply to. There is the contact information, the value of the scholarship, and everything you need to get started to apply. I can't say enough about Kevin Brown's Debt-Free College Academy course, and I encourage everyone to take the full course so that you can get all the benefits, including all the PDFs, the lists, the PowerPoint presentations, his audio. It's a full program, lots of information, and I just wish everyone the best of luck. I'm very encouraged with Nikki's college future.